everybody doing today? It's November now here in Michigan. Weather, it's not bad out. I think it's like 48. I'm gonna hand wash the cars. They're due. It's been about a little over a week. Might as well do it while I can, because pretty soon I can be able to hand wash them. Maybe once in a while we'll get lucky and it warm up. We'll have to see. But that's Michigan for you. You never know. Could start snowing next weekend. Who knows? So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna try out this Limitless Car Care lather right here on the Jeep, the Corvette, and we're gonna try it on a Fusion. So I'm gonna wash all three today. So we'll try it out. I got this in that the petrol box that I get monthly, so we're gonna try this out. So let me get the bucket ready with some warm water and let's get to work. Bathe your vehicle in rich lather of cleaners, gloss enhancers, paint protectors, and lubrication with Limitless Lather. Okay, it's engineered to be hard on grime and dirt and be gentle on wax and sealants. pH neutral and biodegradable. Used as a maintenance wash. So hey, we always like that. Always gotta give it a maintenance wash. So direction says 2 bucket measuring. We're only doing 1. Use ½ ounce per gallon. So we're using 5. We'll just go a couple ounces. I'll go about 2 ounces. And then with hot water. And it says also you can use it in your foam cannon. Dilution would be 1 to 10. With water spray desired. You can add more if you want. You can always add more to what you want, and then experiment with your products. Made in USA. I believe New Jersey. Nope. Yep. New Jersey or New York. So right there. There's a website. So let's check it out. Let's try it out. Smells pretty good. Smells like a lather. Hot water. Cold out there. Looks pretty good. Let's try it out on a Jeep. Getting the leaves already falling. Fall is here. Alright, try it on the hood before I do the roof. Yeah, it seems like it's got a nice lubrication to it. It's pretty slick. That's what it feels like to me. Yeah, it does. Just get a quick wash on these vehicles. Man, it's been raining this whole week. I think it's rained 5 days. That's all we've been getting the whole month of October, pretty much. Just rain. You can't get anything done. The leaves haven't even fell out. But yeah, I like it. Got a nice little soap to it. Pretty slick. Looks like it's cleaning pretty decent. There we go. I need to get me a tripod where I can set up and do a time lapse of me washing the vehicles. Just look on Amazon. What do you guys think? Try to get better vehicles. I mean, not better vehicles, better footage. Instead of holding the camera. Look how clean it looks, pretty good. With that Limitless, yeah, it's beating good now. I think it's just with the warm weather, cold. That poly wax still protecting the Jeep. Look how clean it looks. I'm gonna finish the wheels and then dry it off, and then we're gonna need to put the VRP on the plastic. Like I said in the other videos, we'll do that too. Let it dry, and then I'll get some of the other cars done. But that's the results from the Limitless Lather. I like it. The wash is nice. You can feel how smooth it is. It works pretty good. Yeah, this stuff cleaned pretty good. Limitless car wash. Got the dirt off it. So I'll continue, and then we'll get the Corvette done with the same product. I'll get a fresh bucket, and then we'll see how it does on the Corvette. Look how dirty the Corvette is. See what the kid did? He should be washing it. Look at that. Oh man, it's dirty. So now we'll see how clean it gets this. And look at the bottom. Oh, he drove it in the rain. Well, it's technically his car. He pays for it, so what are you gonna do? But I like washing it. So we'll get this cleaned up next. Man, she's shining. Come on, guys, get out there and clean those mud crawlers up for the women. Get them nice and shiny. Here you go. Corvette time. Man, this thing's filthy. I don't think this has ever been this dirty. That's with that Jess car on there, and Colonite 845 on that top, target top, and the window. This car has been outside for 2 months. He's been driving it. So we put it away in about a week. Look at that. That stuff works, man. We did that stuff and applied it in June, and it's November. Granted, most of the time it's sat in the garage, but if you're washing it, driving it, so it's pretty good. It's lasted. It's some good stuff. I gave it to my brother. I'm gonna have to order some more of that stuff. But look at that. That Jess car stuff is some great stuff. You guys gotta try it. It definitely is an awesome product. I mean, especially on the windows, man, because you're always spraying it with washer fluid. And look at that. It's still holding up. That's pretty good. Look at it. Like I said, this car's been outside since September? October, November? Yeah, 2 months. The charger's in the garage. This is going in the garage soon. So, man, it's chilly out here. To wash this twice. Man, I'm really impressed with that Jess car. I really am. And that Colonite, look at that. Like I said, I mean, most of the time this was sat in the garage, but we wash it a lot. Look at the dirt that this stuff is taking out. Limitless. I know I keep going back and forth, but if you have a little vlog as I'm washing, instead of just showing car shows and other stuff, talk about the channel. Yeah, some good stuff. Let me get some of this. And the Colonite on the Corvette has been on 5 months. So 3 months in the garage, 2 months outside. So that's pretty good, especially washing all the time. I mean, we basically washed this vehicle every time before he took it out, or squirted down and used the detail spray when it's wet, when it's just dusty in the garage. So yeah, 5 months, that's pretty good. I bet you can get a good 6 months, if not longer, out of this product. That product, Just Car Sealant with that Colonite. Look at that window. I mean, granted, it's got a pretty good slant. Man, that stuff is just awesome. So I hope you guys that are big fans of that Just Car and Colonite watch this video. Look at that. Doesn't that just look sweet? I don't know. I enjoy detailing old vehicles. It's relaxing. Boom. That's awesome. I gotta continue to wash. My other GoPro went dead, but this Limitless is cleaning it pretty good. You can see it and hear the dog barking. But yeah, it's cleaning it nice. Yeah, Jess car works great. Let me continue to go. I'm on a ball today cleaning these cars. You can see how dirty the Fusion is from work. We're going to be using the same wash, the Limitless Lather. Clean it up, and then we can see the results, how clean it is. A better shot, look how dirty it is. Yeah, see, where I work is perfect for testing detailing products. There's no place like it. Industrial fallout, the roads, everything. You can see it, how just the vehicle gets trashed. And then there's the Jeep shining up, and the Corvette. The final results on the Corvette. Look how clean that is with that wash. Beautiful. Limitless Lather by Limitless Care Care. I can see myself picking some of that up. Alright, let's get this done, and we'll show the results on the Fusion. You guys can see how that Dyno Wax sealant and their wax, their product's holding up. I mean, it's dirty and it's repelling the water pretty good. I think once I wash it, it's going to be better. I mean, it's sheeting really good. Look at that. That's sheeting nice. Oh yeah. Drying quick. There they are, all three done. Corvette with the Limitless. Oh, I'm losing my light like always. I still want to make another video on the Jeep today. And then there's the Fusion. How it came out. Still shining. Boom. Yeah. So my thoughts on Limitless Care Care Lather. Great stuff. I like it. I can see myself buying this again. Maybe a gallon of it. Got like a bubbly smell to me. Like kind of reminds you of a blue actually. And it cleaned up really nice. It lathered up good. You can feel the slickness in it as you're washing, taking away that dirt. That's what's nice. It always felt soapy, you know, almost like a dish soap, where it always feels soapy when you're washing. This stuff, that's how this product worked. So that's my thoughts on it. Now, I don't get paid for using these products. I buy it with my own money. I got this in the petrol box that we get monthly, so that this was a great thing to get in that box. And but definitely I would buy it. It would be nice if we got free samples to try out. That'd be awesome to try out. But no, we pay for everything ourselves. and we try out the product, and I enjoy doing it. That's why I do it, and then you guys can see the results too. So I have fun doing it. I have fun detailing and cleaning our vehicles. It's just fun. I enjoy it, so you can check it out. So everybody, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it means a lot. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this whole video, and even some of it, and using this product. I appreciate it, because everybody's time is precious, and thanks for spending it with us. So you guys have a great one later.